The 68-page decision was released yesterday, and so far both parties are claiming a win. Todd Russell, a former Liberal MP, is the president of NunatuKavut, or NCC, the defendants of this case.
This win was an affirming win, that in fact we do have a strong, on the face of it, case for Aboriginal rights. And so we want to be at a table to be able to give expression to those rights, to talk about what our needs and priorities are for our communities. And this court decision certainly paves the way for that to happen.
The NCC represents over 6,000 members who claim to be Inuit in Labrador. The Innu Nation filed for a judicial review of the Memorandum of Understanding the Liberals signed in 2019 between the NCC and former Crown Indigenous Relations Minister Carolyn Bennett. At that time, Innu Nation Chief Simon Poku said recognition of the NCC, who do not have Section 35 rights, is a threat to his nation.
A group who call themselves NCC, that they want to take our rights, they want to take our lands.
According to the court decision, the MOU is an agreement only. It does not recognize the NCC as an Aboriginal people under Section 35. Matt McPherson is a lawyer for the Innu Nation.
The decision confirms what Innu Nation wanted confirmed for all of the world to know and to be clear on, which is that the NunatuKavut Community Council, or NCC, has never been recognized as an Aboriginal people under the Constitution, and they have never been recognized as having Section 35 rights.
Russell firmly maintains his organization legitimately holds Section 35 Indigenous rights.
I would say with all confidence that there is no other group in Canada, certainly not in Eastern Canada or Northeast Canada, that has such a strong prima facie case to Aboriginal rights as the NunatuKavut Inuit. I would also say that we are in a very, very strong legal position, as this win is one of many that we have had in the courts.
Russell says after 5 years, it's now up to the federal government to make a commitment to get back to the table with the NCC. McPherson says the MOU has no legal effect in the Innu Nation and will continue to protect their rights.
Innu Nation will be watching what Canada is doing with NCC very closely and continuing to aggressively advocate to ensure that Innu Nation's rights and Innu Nation's, 8,000-year plus existence in Labrador is not threatened by a group of settlers who are pretending to be something that they're not.
Annette Francis, APTN National News, Ottawa.